Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize the blue negative effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to the effects tab, video effects, and then scroll to nightclub. And then on the nightclub category, we're going to scroll all the way down to find the blue negative effect. Once you find it, click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip and now elongate it to the rest of the clip. Now, with it being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab and mess with the color and the speed. So let's say if the speed, we bring it to 100%, it's going to look a little bit ridiculous. It's going to look a little scary. You might have an aneurysm. But if you add keyframes to it, you can add a very slow speed to the beginning of the clip where the effect starts. And as the video keeps going, you can increase the speed of it by adding the keyframes, of course. And towards the end of the video, the speed will be at 100. But that's for another video. So let's take a look at the effect with the speed being at 25. And there you have it. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.